horrendous. It's time to stack. I can't do this. Even. That looks center, right? Ta-da! Right, I've decided to go down the sugar flour route as it's going to take up a lot more time, which means the price of the cake is going to go up. But as I'm saying this, I'm realizing I'm going to have to make a lot of sugar flours. Right, so when you're making sugar flours, it's important to use gum paste, not fondant, not sugar paste or modelling paste, just pure gum paste, as it's going to roll out really, really thin and dry really hard. So the nice flowing shapes that you're going to get in your petals, they're going to stay put. Okay, so I stacked the cakes for a second time and it's holding up way better, which is good, but because we cut the dowels slightly larger than the cake, there was quite a large gap around where the cakes meet. So we've just covered it up with some strips of sugar paste, which finishes it up pretty nicely, I think. So now it's time for the scary part. And we're gonna start adding flowers. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Oh God. Okay, so we're finally done. I'm so happy that it's done. These flowers are so, I think I broke so many petals, so I'm a bit upset about that, but they're on. I'm not gonna mess around with them anymore. But I have one more final trick up my sleeve. And I don't know if you remember, I showed you we got some mini Collin the caterpillars. So, to bring that element of Collin back to the cake, we are gonna put on a little bride and groom. Yay! Okay, so now for the scary part. I mean, I think everything has been pretty scary, but we're gonna bring in Janet, our judge for today, and she's gonna give us what she thinks this cake is worth. So hopefully it'll hit that 800 mark, but after making these flowers and the tears and the sleepless nights, I'm actually aiming for 1,000, so fingers crossed.
I'd just like to say that she's done a very good job, and this fit the brief very well. It was Collin the caterpillar, and she had to make a 4-tier cake and decorate it, and I think she's done a very, very good job of it. Pricing up, we'd need to price it on the overall look of it, how many tiers it's got, how many people it's going to feed, the designs, and all the decorations that are going onto it. It will feed around 150 people, and we've valued that around £600. We've looked at the overall design, which, because it did meet the brief, and she's done a good job of the decorations as well, we've priced that as £400. We've looked at the coating, and she did have a few little problems with the coating, a little bit of cracking and crazing. So we've actually taken off £100. She had a little bit of problems with the stacking, and I know she had to put some more dowels in it, and it's just slightly out when you look at it, so we've taken off £50 for the stacking. The decoration is lovely. She's done handmade flowers, and then you've got the little bride and groom Collin the caterpillars on the top, which actually fit in with the brief. So we've added an extra £100 for that, and our total price is going to be £950. And I would just like to say, well done, Tulsi. You've done a very, very good job. And I'd really love to see what the inside of the cake looks like, and I'd love to be cutting it myself, but I think as Tulsi made it, that she should have the honour.
So Janet's rated your cake and she's priced it at £950.
Oh, so close. I'll take it, like, it's past the 800 marks, I'm happy. It hasn't collapsed, I'm happy. Like, it's a cake. Right, okay, thanks Janet. Okay, I really want to see what it looks like inside, so I'll just take them. Okay, I really hate cutting cake, I'm not very good at it.
It's so wonky.
Oh my God. This is why I don't like cutting cake. It looks cakey. I'll take it. Yay!
Done it?
Yeah, it's
Oh, it actually cut alright, didn't it?
yeah, it didn't fall apart, so that's nothing fell apart. Ta-da! God, yeah, do you know, I forgot I was just about to like go off. Bye, I'm done. So there you go. It is a £950 wedding cake made entirely out of Collin the caterpillars. It was an interesting challenge. I think it took about 5 years of my life. That's how stressful this was. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. And yeah, see you next time.